Today I will show you how to make a liquid shape in Moho 13.5 Pro. I will start by drawing a simple glass. Then I'm going to add a new vector layer and draw a simple rectangle. You can call this anything: water, milk, orange, etc. I am going to create a shape and change its color to orange. Now I will rename each layer based on the object itself. Let's create a new vector layer and call it a base. We will not draw any shape in our canvas. We just need this to be there. You can, if you want, draw a hand shape or anything to hold glass. I am now creating a group for everything. Within this group, I'm going to create another group. This will be for our glass and the liquid. I will double-click this new group and mask the group. Then I'm going to double-click the glass, then tick to exclude stroke. Now select the liquid layer and select all points, then click split to increase the number of points. This is important. Now, select the group which contains glass and liquid. Right-click and convert into a bone. I will now add a point bone as a main bone. Then I will add 3 bones, then copy these 3 bones and paste 6 times. When copying and paste these bones, make one row higher and next row lower like a zigzag. Now highlight all the bones and reduce the strength. Now highlight these bones and reparent to the main bone. Highlight these top bones. Go to Bone Constraints and enable Bone Dynamics. Also bind a glass to the main bone using Bind Layer. Click the main group, which contains everything, and go to the main timeline. Move the cursor to any frame and rotate this group layer as I do. You may need to do this several times to get your desired results. Rotate left, add a keyframe, move the cursor, then rotate right, and add a keyframe. We have now finished rigging this, and we will move on to check the final results. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If there is anything you have not understood, please let me know. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe so that we can continue these tutorials. My aim to reach 1,000 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. Thank you again. Until next time.